At Arkkosoft, we're not just another tech partner. We're your nearshore boutique innovation team from Costa Rica, a country known for its sustainability, talent, and natural intelligence. We don't just assign resources. We build high-performing teams aligned with your goals, senior talent that integrates fully, collaborates seamlessly, and moves at the speed of your product. Working with offshore teams across the world can mean long delays, late-night meetings, and missed context. We solve that. As your friendshore partner, Arkkosoft operates in U.S. time zones with fluent English communication and real-time collaboration, so you get speed, clarity, and alignment from day one. The result? Agile delivery, real-time sync, and cost savings without sacrificing quality. And when it's time to connect in person, Costa Rica is the perfect destination for team offsites, strategy sessions, or simply building real relationships face-to-face. Innovation isn't just what we do, it's how we think. From fintech to healthtech to AI, we build with creativity, responsibility, and a deep understanding of your vision. Ever dreamed of hosting an offsite in a country with no army, a deep commitment to sustainability, bilingual talent, and top-tier tech expertise, all in your time zone and just a short flight away? We're the team behind your team, driven by your goals, inspired by your vision, and focused on outcomes that matter. Ready to scale smarter and faster? Connect with Arkkosoft today.